But it's, oh my gosh, you gotta do that for summer. That's great. That is so cool. I like it. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants. No dairy. The next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated. From quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Hey, Carnivore Girl here. I'm in my creative carnivore kitchen, and today I want to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. So finally I'm taking the time to do it. What is it? Ice cream, of course, carnivore, and no, I don't use any dairy. No plants, no dairy. So no cream, no milk. Let's see. Here we have my setup ready. Egg yolks, exactly. I just want to freeze egg yolks with a flavor. So of course orange vanilla would be awesome for ice cream, but I've used the vanilla flavor already so many times. It's very strong. It really, like the egg pudding with vanilla. I made a Thanksgiving pie with vanilla. Oh my gosh, it was amazing, and you can actually taste it. But I just don't always want to use the same. Then we have like, what is this? I thought it was black cherry or something. Cherry, pineapple, mixed berry. I think I'm gonna go with mixed berry. I would go with chocolate because chocolate ice cream used to be my favorite, but I don't have a chocolate seltzer water. So I'm gonna go with this. So I have my forms. Unfortunately, they're all pretty broken. Actually, ooh. Ha! I have two that are not broken. I'm actually really, okay. Surprised about this. Salt. I don't know, do I want to salt it? Do I not? I only have 3 egg yolks here, so I'm not going to fill all of these up. I didn't prepare. So let's see what we can do. Is this clean? Yes. Let's put our egg yolks in here. Oh, fuck. Okay, I don't know what's wrong today. I'm so sore. Okay, here it is. Yeah, those egg yolks, those 2, I used earlier today, so I put them in the fridge. This one is still fresh, you see. Much easier. Get in here. I said mixed berry, right? You think that's a good idea? I'm sure you probably think, no, take the vanilla, or no, take cherry, pineapple. No, I'm gonna take this. It's open. Prost. It's funny. So we have tons of those seltzer waters, and I actually keep in my cupboard there always 2 of the same flavors for cooking, so we don't drink all of it. And there are some I don't really like drinking. And perfect example, I'm not a fan of drinking this, but cooking, I love it. Or coconut. Drinking, no, I don't like it at all. Cooking, I love it. So also mixed berry, but we'll see how it is in our egg yolk ice cream. Back to this. Okay, 3 egg yolks and ooh, foamy. I just poured in a bit. I have no idea. Maybe it's a bit more egg yolk than water, I would say. Maybe I should do half-half. I don't know. You could actually, I mean, egg yolk is totally fine. This is a weird one. Ah, here, I have my little one. Of course, for me, you don't need to use salt. I'm a salty person. I don't want to use too much. Okay, I guess now it's probably 50-50, yolk and water. Maybe it's really watery. So it's more like, it's not ice cream. It's actually, I shouldn't call it that. It's more like, not sorbet, sherbet. Like we have something in Wasserglasse. It's called water ice cream. Well, not cream, water ice, Wasserglasse, water. Yeah, it's like, no, not lollipops. I think you call them something, pops. I forgot, I'm sorry. I can't look it up because, well, here's my phone. Okay, now I also need something, let's see. I just love oh my gosh. Never throw away marrow bones. They're so awesome. See? Yeah, we have enough for one. We have enough for one. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's an experiment. That's good. I don't want to make too many if it sucks. Should I? Come on, let's really fill this up. Hey, yeah, perfect, huh? Perfect. It's like perfect. I'm sure you could also use some other form or whatever. Oh my gosh, now I'm overfilling it. Let's see. I'm overfilling it. I need to close it. Ha! Fucking me. Well, it's for me anyways, so. Should taste good. Okay, come on. So. Salty. Well, my hands are salty because okay, and I am salty. I don't taste sweet, I taste salty. Actually, it probably tastes like beef because I use tallow on my skin. So maybe I should do a video about how I make my tallow cream, however you want to call it. Okay, now we put it in the freezer. That's always a problem with carnivores, freezer space. Let's see. Ugh, you come with me. I have 2 freezers. Actually, right now it's not that full. Yeah, there's a lot of space. Usually it's like full. Perfect. Okay. And there's also everything full here. Okay. This is the little freezer. We also have a bigger one. Oh. after a while, I'm sure I can like that. Okay, now so that's good. That's perfect. I hope you saw what I did. I probably was totally in front of the camera. Ha! Yes. Okay. Now we wait. We'll wait together here until it's done. No. I'll see you later with the result. Wish me luck. By the way, I also had the idea to do the exact same, but heating it up first. The yolk with the water, just over the water bath a little bit. Not to like getting it all the way cooked, or just, I don't know, just for fun to heat it up and then put it in a mold. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that another time. But for right now, this. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm super curious about our Yopsicle. Yolk, popsicle, you get it? Here it is. So, I already started preparing a little bit of hot water here. I don't know if, oh my gosh, it's barely warm, but let's just put it in here a bit. I mean, we don't want to melt the whole thing. Just try to get it loose. Whoa! Ooh, didn't expect it. Ooh, it looks beautiful. It really looks like a popsicle, right? Yopsicle now. Let's try it. I messed it up here. I need to take some pictures with it. Where's my good side is this side, huh? So like, okay, actually trying this now. Ooh, wow. Okay. Salty. It was so weird. The first was like, whoa, because you look at it. I mean, look at it. It looks beautiful. It looks like sweet. It looks like mango or something. Then you're like, whoa, salty. Maybe I put a little bit too much salt in it. But it's really good. I'm trying, you know, the great thing is, I mean, I used yolks and flavored seltzer, and I totally forgot which kind of flavored seltzer oh no, I remember now, because I'm trying to figure out now. So it's actually good I forgot, because now I can try to figure it out. I mean, I love it. It's so good. Like for summer, hey. And it even looks like you're one of the cool kids. I have also a popsicle, but it's actually a yopsicle. It's actually healthy, you know, you're gonna die sooner. I don't. It's so good. Of course, I taste the yolk. It's like really cool. I remember now what I put in. I just remembered. But I tried to taste it. It was the strawberry mango or strawberry something. I think it was mango, right? It was strawberry something, I remember. Actually turn off that. Okay, I have to admit, I didn't figure out what flavor it is, but it's delicious. It's really good. It's I have to do that more often with different flavors. I'm sure the vanilla will be really good because the vanilla is a really strong flavor. I just didn't want to use the vanilla again, but once I have to try it with the vanilla orange. But it's, oh my gosh, you gotta do that for summer. That's great. That is so cool. I like it. Hey, you remember when we made the Yopsicle? I just figured out something really great. Here I have a room temperature dried, this is a cube steak, and room temperature dried steak recipe here or here. You know me, I never know where. Oh yeah. Mixing those flavors. Oh yeah. I just had to add this. It's so amazing. This is very lean. The cube steak is very, very lean. Usually I do room temperature dried with more fattier beef. It's good too, but not that much taste. So I thought, oh well, I add this. Oh my gosh. Best combination. I gotta do this. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @CarnivoreGirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.